I'm just gonna say this now. If you hear the AC or my cat, I'm not entirely sorry. Okay, so hi YouTube. Yes, we're doing this. Long time no speak. I'm alive. Ain't that good to know? This is an unsponsored unbagging, unboxing. Unbag boxing. Yeah, we'll go with that. Anywho, I'm obsessed with these little beaches. Little cats versus pickle. And pretty much we went to the Faggy Belowy, and I got a couple baggies of them, and we're gonna open them. So let's go do that. I dropped this one. So this is the package. They also sell them at CVS. These are the mystery packs. So I don't know what is inside these. So I hope I don't need scissors. It was struggling to open up the bag for 5 minutes. So I opened it. It's a pickle. Off to a good start. A pickle. I got strawberry. Look how freaking cute it is. Little eyeballs. Okay, next. Bumblebee. Now I got a little counterpart to my butterfly and ladybug. Now we got sir, can you say hello? Now we got a theme. Next. Another bumblebee. It's a little jelly belly. The last bag. So, and now I got all these beaches. Look at them. I still need more. Thank you for watching. And just as a reminder, y'all know the drill. You can, just do a little sub or like or comment or whatnot that y'all do on YouTube. I don't pay attention. But I'll have my media links like Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and whatnot in the description below. And yeah, thank you for watching. #butterflies.